Yo, what's good, guys? Really quickly before we get started with this video, I want to plug my new Instagram, where you guys can get updated with the latest videos, as well as just life updates in general. Please go and follow it. It's at college_anomaly. Again, at college_anomaly. I'll probably include a link in the description. Yo, what's good, you guys? First off, I want to start this video off by thanking every single one of you who supported my last video. Honestly, it means a lot. Like, I didn't expect half of the support that I got. You guys have no idea how scared I was to even drop the first video. I was so nervous. I was shy to talk to a camera, first of all. Yeah, it was just all new to me, and it was so different. So again, thank you guys. Man, even down to my homies from back in the childhood days, homies from middle school, friends from high school. Even though a lot of you guys I did lose touch with, and you know, just because of the fact that I've been in college and busy with this life, like, trust me, you guys are all still in my hearts, and I still think about you guys a lot. And I just want you guys to know that I'm also just as proud as you guys are of me. And I hope you guys keep going and keep pushing, no matter where you're at, whether you're in college or not. And then especially all my college friends, man, you guys really supported me. You guys went all out, and I really appreciate you guys for that. Actually, before we continue, please press that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and share it with your friends, man. Thank you, for real, thank you. So today's video is gonna be a little bit special and a little bit different than the other one, as I think you guys will like this video a bit more. So stay tuned, watch all the way through to hear what it was like for me to move into my first college dorm straight out of the hood. Yeah, that's right. So from the hood to this right here, this nice, beautiful area. And I know technically it's not really a dorm. I know, trust me, it's not a dorm, but back when I moved in, like, I didn't know the difference. I didn't know, like, these were just some apartments or, you know, houses around here. But technically it is UCI housing. So I'm gonna still call it a dorm anyway. So this place here is called Arroyo Vista, or AV, at UCI. And I moved here when during the summer of 2016, and man, that summer was just different, right? Like, music was great, freaking Obama was still in. But for me, it was my very first summer where I was finally free of all schoolwork, and just basically free for a whole summer, at least for a couple weeks, because then I had to move out here and start my whole new life. But for everyone else, like including a lot of my friends, they were getting ready to go start their full-time jobs. Some of them were getting ready to be parents, and barely a couple were getting ready for college. Like I said before, like, I could probably count on my two hands, like, the amount of people that actually went to college after high school, from my high school. So yeah, like, and like I said, and keep in mind that it's fine if you didn't go to college. Like, no one's knocking you down for it. No disrespect. I still salute you, because college isn't for everyone. And honestly, some of my best friends are people who didn't even go to college. And that's fine. Like, they're still some of the most important people in my life. And to the ones that did go to college, it doesn't matter if you went to a community, a state college, a university, or even a private. Honestly, like I said, college is college. No matter where you go, it's up to you to make the most out of it. And at the end of the day, even choosing to go to any college is like the hardest decision for people like us. So again, like, I salute you no matter what you chose. Anyways, so I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a walkthrough of the general area here at AV, and then later on we're gonna go ahead and also give you guys a walkthrough / tour of one of these nice houses, with the help of my friend here, Mel, who's standing behind the camera right now. So shout out to her, and shout out to the G5 house for letting me use their house as well. All right, so let's walk on over. So right now we're just walking down the AV lawn. As you can see, you know, we're surrounded by a lot of nature here, a lot of trees. You still hear the birds chirping right now. Man, that's like a big drastic change from South Central, right? Like, it's so nice, it's so clean, it's so quiet here, so peaceful, man. Like, I haven't, or you guys haven't seen the video yet, but I'm actually gonna make a video soon talking about why I chose to come here to UC Irvine. And one of those things is deciding to move away from the chaotic environment in South Central. So let's just keep on walking. Let's head on over. So fun fact about AV is that a lot of these houses are themed. And so if you look over here to my left, we have a lot of houses which are themed for the Greek life community. So right now you'll see soon that these community houses have letters outside. They're pretty big letters. They're hard to miss. We also have other houses, like houses for international students, houses for Chicano students, houses for African American students. All the kinds of houses you could think of, engineering students. So just keep walking here, just keep walking. And pan over. Nice. Yeah, it doesn't have to be that long. One more time, this isn't the exact house where I moved into my freshman year, but a lot of these houses have the same layouts. The only difference is that this house is the G5 house, and it's decorated up really nicely, as opposed to when I moved in here, it was just blank walls, empty walls, white walls. So yeah, let's come on inside and I'll show you guys around. So here we just have the main entrance. We have some stairs leading up, and then we have a hallway that leads down into the living room. We have a restroom over here, inclusive as well. And then we have the nice big living room. Like I said, this is really decorated nicely. My freshman year, it was just couches in the middle and a table. That was it. Yeah. And then if we head on over to the kitchen, kitchen's pretty big as well. You get a big freezer and a big fridge, big sink. You also get a stove here, a microwave. You know, all general stuff for houses. Honestly, I don't even know like if I should even be showing like all this. I'm not a freaking real estate guy. So let me show you walking up the stairs now. So also just for any incoming freshmen, AV is a pretty nice place to live in. As you can see, it's pretty spacious, and there's honestly a nice outside area too if you want to just relax one day and just enjoy the peace. And really quickly, let me go ahead and show you guys the patio to these AV houses. We have a couple couches out here where you can just relax, do some homework, study. And then we just have this general area where usually when sororities or fraternities have any events, they usually like to set up tables out here, and they set up food vendors, and then people just eat here and just hang out. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. So yeah, let's head on upstairs. All right, so now we're gonna walk down one of these hallways. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. We have a restroom over there. And then again, the hallway. The hallway just goes down, and there's just a lot of rooms for people. And a lot of these rooms are for 2 people only. So it's just one person and their roommate. And so I think today, with the permission of Melanie, I'm gonna be able to show you guys what a room looks like, and you guys can get an idea of what AV is like. All right, so here's what a typical AV room looks like. As you can see, we have 2 beds side by side. And like I said, it's really nicely decorated. Girls, man, you guys know how to decorate rooms up. Shout out to you guys. Every student gets a desk next to their bed. And they also get their own closet here. I won't show the closet for obvious reasons. But yeah, that's basically the general layout of AV. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. And again, feel free to share this with your friends, and especially all you incoming freshmen. I know you guys are going to be interested in seeing what AV is all about. So if you have any questions, let me know. Don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed to ask those questions. Trust me, when I was a freshman, I wish I had seen a video like this to know exactly what I was getting myself into, and just to know what's around, what can I do around here. And yeah, thank you guys again. Appreciate you guys. Hit that like button and subscribe. All right, I hope you guys liked that video, the little AV walkthrough video. It was a little bit different, like I said, a bit of a nostalgic trip for me. Had to think back all the way to 4 years ago. And I know I didn't give you guys the full detail of that summer and how that summer went, what I did, all the friends that I made. But yeah, it was just a different summer for sure. That's a video coming soon as well, because like I said, it wasn't easy coming alone. No friends, starting all over, no parents. Yeah, man, stay tuned for that one as well. Before I forget to mention, as you guys saw, that was a sorority house that I gave you guys a walkthrough of. So you can already assume that I'm actually a member of the Greek life here at UCI. And I'm actually planning on making a video really soon, because I met someone yesterday that gave me the idea of making a video about Greek life, whether or not you should join it, whether it's the right fit for you, and the pros and cons of it basically. And I think that's a really great idea, so shout out to you. Stay tuned for that video, and once again, follow that page, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys one more time.